All right, guys and gals, we've got a new focus update. It's version 1.7.1. And once again, the focus of the release is full page creation, a new mode that allows you to break free from the constraints of your templates and actually design your entire page from the comfort of the WordPress editor. Now, what is new in Focus 1.7.1 is the ability to deploy full page creation on any individual post or page. All right, so I'm going to show you how that works now. So in the previous release, you had to set up your display options to do this. I'll show you that real quick. So we had to go into content and display, and you could go to your pages, and you could choose to make your front page work this way, or basic pages work that way, or your landing pages to work with full page creation. But the problem with that approach is that it makes all those types of pages behave that way by default, and there was no way to override that, no easy way for you to override that. So that's not good enough, especially if you're retrofitting full page creation into a site you already have, which I assume most of you are doing. So let me show you the new stuff in Focus 1.7.1 that enables you to deploy it on any post or page. So here we go. We're looking at a home page. Here's the default title output. We don't want that. We want our big bleed here to be the first thing people see on this page. So we're going to go in. We're going to edit this page. And over here in the right-hand column, the sidebar of the WordPress Editor screen, you're going to see a new option called Full Page Creation. And so when you load this up for the first time, it's probably going to be at the bottom. And so what I've done is I've dragged it up here close to the top to the stuff I'm going to use a lot. Like I set page parents a lot. I maybe set a featured image. I'll do full page creation and open graph stuff. I do that stuff a lot, so I drag that up to the top. You can drag it and put it where you want. So anyhow, just going to select full page, use focus full page creation. We're going to click update, and we're going to look at that page. And there it is. There's no more title. We've got full page creation happening here on this page. That is a thing of beauty. All right, let's take a look at, so this is just default focus installation here. So if we look at the blog, our posts, they have a headline, a byline. We'll go in here. Here's the headline and byline. Let's get rid of that on this post. Same deal. We're going to click use focus full page creation. We're going to click update. We're going to check it out. Boom, it works. This is a featured image that remains, so you can choose to remove that or do some fancy styling with that if you want. But again, it has removed the title and the byline from the automatic output, and so you're in control of what appears on this page. Let's go over to a page, or about page. Again, we got the title, we got a byline. I want to kill that with focus full page creation. Same deal. We're going to look at it, and there it is. So now you can deploy full page creation exactly when and where you need it. It's super easy with Focus 1.7.1. This is really the way I should have done it in the initial release, but that's okay. You can set your whole site up to work this way if you really like it. If you're doing a new site, I think that's maybe a good idea. But if you are working this into a pre-existing site, this is probably what you're going to want to do. You can go to select, use full page creation on any post or page right there. And you're off to the races. You can design your pages entirely here in the editor.